In this video, let's walk through where you can access SMTPs and mailboxes, whether you want to add your own or purchase new ones. The best part? Everything is fully automated. You won't have to manually configure any DNS records. If you buy a domain here, our smart bots take care of everything for you. They'll automatically set up all the necessary DNS records, including DKIM, SPF, even merging it if you already have one, and BIMI, so you can display your brand logo next to your emails. Getting started is super simple. If you've already signed up for a plan, you can check out the 3 options we offer: Solo, Startup, and Pro. Depending on your plan, you'll have access to built-in mailboxes. For example, with the free plan, you get a default mailbox that allows you to send up to 10 emails per day per mailbox. With the solo plan, you'll get 5 mailboxes, and each one allows you to send up to 15 emails per day. If you go with the startup plan, you can create up to 15 mailboxes. You can either use the default domains provided by sendcrux or add your own. Each mailbox lets you send 20 emails per day, and if you choose the Pro plan, you'll have the flexibility to create up to 45 mailboxes, with each one capable of sending 25 emails per day. Here, you can see all your licenses in one place, how many you have in total, how many are available, and how many are already in use. For example, I have 399 licenses, out of which 32 were created using sendcrux and 24 from Office 365. You can also view all the mailboxes you've set up, whether they're from SendGrid, Outlook, or other platforms. Plus, you have the option to forward mailboxes to any of the domains we talked about earlier. Whenever you create a mailbox, whether through campaigns or sending profiles, you can also run warm-up processes to improve deliverability. Let's head over to the Get Started section to get a clearer view of your domains, whether you added them yourself or purchased them here. You'll see which ISP each domain is linked to. If a domain is set up for sendcrux, you'll see this icon. For Office 365, another icon. And for Google Workspace, a different one. You also get seamless integration with Postmaster, where you can monitor your domain reputation and other key details. Plus, you have the option to forward your domain to another one or use our AI-powered website builder to create a website effortlessly. Once your website is live, it will be assigned an Amazon IP address, which helps boost your domain's reputation. Since the A record and all necessary DNS settings are already configured, your domain looks legitimate and trustworthy. This greatly improves your chances of landing emails directly in the inbox, ensuring better deliverability. So you also can see the DNS records that got set up if you click here, Verify CM Services. So let's go to the Get Started. Here's how everything works. You can view your domain details, check its reputation, or even forward it to another domain if needed. If you've already built a website, you can edit it anytime. Want to preview it? Just click here, and you'll see the website you created. Now, let's talk about something important: website forms. Every website includes a built-in form. When users fill it out, their information will be stored in the Prospects section, which we'll cover in an upcoming video. Moving on to buying licenses. This is where you can purchase different mailbox options. sendcrux starts at just $1 per month, and you can also buy licenses for G Suite, Office 365, and more right from this section. If you want to add a new domain, first, let the system know which mailbox it will be used for: sendcrux, Google Workspace, or Office 365. If you already own a domain, simply enter it, and the system will provide the necessary DNS records for setup. If you want to buy a new domain, just go ahead and then just type here. And just hit the enter, and then you see all the possible combinations that are available. You just select them, and then hit the next, and then pay, and then rest will be taken care by the system. So it's that easy. So now create new user. It's like if you have licenses already, so you can create an email box here by just giving the password, username, and photo. You can select the domains. These are the default sendcrux domains because I have still available licenses on sendcrux, and this domain is added for the sendcrux second. Create as many mailboxes in this domain. The rest of the domains are Microsoft. I can create those licenses as well. So I'm then coming to all the mailboxes which you created will be here. And the licenses that you bought, you can see them when they're gonna renew, and you can deactivate if you don't want to pay. And these are the My Domains. If I bought any domains specifically from this website, the domains which you see here, this one, I bought it here from the system. These are the bought from there, and added, we replace name servers, so that's why it won't show in my domains. Under my domains, this is the domain which I bought here. And refunds, if there are any refunds that's supposed to come to you, as you can see here, and warm-up domains, the domains which we are warming up, and their repetition, you see all this stuff. And then hosted domains, the domains which I hosted here. So these are the domains I hosted. I can simply click here and see them, and hit the delete button if you want, and then visit the website. And if you want to edit, you can edit the website. Bulk operations, this is coming soon, where you can create 10,000 mailboxes at one go. And coming to the sending profiles, as soon as you created any mailboxes there, they, by default, come here. All the mailboxes. Got it? And if you would like to add different mailboxes which you already created in different system, Google Console and all, you can use G Suite to auth and Microsoft to auth, or you can add any SMTP here. If you discuss about Google G Suite, here, after you do this, small settings, and then you just need to enter these credentials, and you can import straight away even 10,000 mailboxes from your Google Console to the system. And if you would like to add your free Gmail, then simply you have to do the setup and enter the username and app password. That's it. And then, you can connect your free Gmail to the system and start sending emails. The Microsoft is the same. We have 3 options. The one is which you bought already, Microsoft, 365 mailboxes in our application. You can import them easily. If you bought somewhere a Microsoft 365, and then you have to do these permissions and everything, and then you have to feed these credentials, client IDs, client secret and all this stuff. And Microsoft, it could be a free user, it could be any user. You can simply do the auth and then start working. Start sending emails, receiving emails from the system. So this is how it works. The entire SMTPs and mailboxes. Thanks for watching.